In the afternoon of 10 May 1944, Battleship Washington steamed through Pearl Harbor's open nets, past Hickam Field Light, and was eased by tugs into Key F3, where California lay on the morning of 7 December 1941. She was returning fresh from having her bow replaced at Bremerton after Battleship Indiana had run into her in February. On 15 May, under a bright Hawaiian sky, the crew celebrated the ship's third birthday with a gigantic feast of fried chicken and cake. On 19 May, North Carolina arrived, tying up at Battleship Row. 5 days later, the sister ships and friendly rivals departed Pearl Harbor and headed west, and on 30 May they anchored in the lagoon at Majuro Atoll in the Marshall Islands. They rounded out a vast armada, 7 fast battleships, 8 carriers, 16 cruisers, and 38 destroyers, along with numerous oilers, tenders, and other auxiliaries that grew larger every day. The senior officer present afloat, Vice Admiral Willis Lee, who had been playing musical flagships awaiting Washington's return, moved from New Jersey to Washington. At 0843 on 6 June 1944, Battleship Washington led the battle line, Task Group 58.7, with 37 ships, the U.S. Navy's most powerful surface force yet, out of Majuro to commence Operation FORAGER, taking Saipan, Tinian, and Guam. Only 1,500 miles from Japan, it was the boldest and largest amphibious operation of the Pacific War. Lee had 7 battleships: Washington, North Carolina, Iowa, New Jersey, South Dakota, Alabama, and Indiana, 13 assorted cruisers, and 17 destroyers. In the 24 months since Admiral Nimitz cobbled together 3 hard-used carriers and 24 surface ships for the Battle of Midway, the Pacific Fleet had expanded to unprecedented size and striking power. Once at sea, Lee's battle line rendezvoused with 15 carriers. Task Force 58 filled the sea with ships. As one officer on board Washington put it, they'd be unleashing the greatest storm of shells and bombs that had so far been concentrated in the Pacific. Also, speaking of a storm of shells, I'd like to remind everyone to watch our Channel Markers episode from Thanksgiving Day, DMS Emmons' Last Stand. Like Custer, but with air support, the cost of victory over this gallant ship came at a high price.